How to fix Steam Tools No Internet Connection on PC, Tutorial 2026 in this video. I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam Tools No Internet Connection problem on PC using safe troubleshooting methods, so you can get Steam back online and continue downloading or using your games normally. First, completely exit Steam. Don't just close the window. Right-click the Steam icon in the system tray and select Exit, then restart your computer and also restart your modem or router. Steam officially recommends testing your router and internet connection when troubleshooting connectivity problems. Next, make sure the problem isn't with Steam itself. If Steam servers are temporarily unavailable, changing settings on your computer won't solve the issue. In that situation, you'll need to wait until Steam services are restored. If your internet works normally in your browser but Steam still says there's no connection, check Windows Firewall or your antivirus software. A firewall can sometimes block Steam, particularly after a Steam client update. Make sure the legitimate Steam executable is allowed through your security software. Don't permanently disable your firewall or antivirus just to use Steam. Now open Steam and go to Steam Settings and then Downloads. Find Clear Download Cache and confirm it. Steam says clearing the download cache can resolve problems involving games that won't download or start. Remember that Steam will ask you to sign in again afterward, but your installed games will not be removed. While you're in the download settings, check your download region. Select your actual region or another nearby region and restart Steam. Steam automatically uses content servers around the world, and switching to another nearby server can sometimes resolve download or connection problems. If the error continues, test another internet connection. For example, temporarily connect your PC to a mobile hotspot. If Steam works correctly there, the problem may be related to your router, network configuration, or internet service provider rather than Steam itself. You should also temporarily close VPNs, network filtering applications, or other third-party software that could interfere with Steam's connection. Steam specifically warns that certain security, filtering, and background applications can cause connectivity problems. Here's a pro tip. Avoid downloading random Steam connection fix programs or modified Steam files from third-party websites. Most legitimate Steam connectivity problems can be diagnosed using the official client, Windows network settings, your router, and Steam support. If none of these methods works, reinstalling or repairing Steam may be the final option, but make sure you protect your existing game installation files before removing anything. And that's how to fix the Steam Tools No Internet Connection problem on PC in 2026. Restart your network, check Steam service status, verify firewall permissions, clear the download cache, change the download region, and test another connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Steam problem you want me to cover next.